Begin your hybrid racing shifter install by removing the shift knob and shift boot collar. Remove the console trim and shift boot. Use a trim tool and remove the front console cover. Disconnect the 12-volt socket. Remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the front console in place. Remove the 2 lower screws on the back bottom section of the console. There's one on each side. Pop off the front section and lift the console from the rear. Be sure to unplug the rear 12-volt socket. Now remove the console completely from the car. Now remove the shifter cables. There are 2 cotter pins and some washers. Remove the left cable by rotating and sliding it out. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the clip that holds the right side cable in. Simply push them out when they're done. Use a trim tool and remove the factory wire harness. There are 4 bolts that hold the shifter in place. Use a 12mm socket and remove all of them. Once all the bolts are loose, remove the shifter. Now install your hybrid racing shifter. Use the supplied hardware and bolt it directly to the frame. Now install the shifter cables. The left side cable slides in and rotates counterclockwise to lock in place. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the 4 mounting bolts to the floor. Reinstall the shifter cable clip. You can tap it down into place. Now install the end links to the shifter. Be sure to sandwich the shifter cable end link between the 2 washers. Now reinstall the factory wire harness. You can now install the shifter offset and rotate it, just to check for clearance. Use a 5mm Allen to adjust the shift knob height. Row through all the gears just to make sure everything feels right. Adjusting the shift knob to its high setting offers the easiest shift, but also the longest. There are two adjustment settings for the front, back, and side-to-side movements. One is the longest, 2 is the shortest. You can also adjust these independently based on your preference. The installation of your Hybrid Racing V3 shifter is complete. You can now reinstall all of the factory console parts in the order that you removed them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out hybridracing.com for more Honda and Acura performance parts.